Good morning, everybody. Ace Daily starts now. So, it's Halloween. When you watch this, it'll be the day after Halloween. Not going to really do that much. We might go over and see some decorations or something like that. But we don't tend to do too much of the Halloween handing out of the candy here, because in our neighborhood we tend to have more of the people from other neighborhoods coming in, not even in costumes or anything like that, and it's gotten really depressing. I used to sit out all the time in costume with candy, and it was really sad. High schoolers, not even dressed up, running in front of little kids, winding up. It just got to the point where it wasn't fun anymore, and I sort of felt like we were, in a way, helping the big kids run over the little kids. So we tend to go other places and do other things. Also, it was one of those things that Mr. Louis didn't tend to like all the people up bugging his friend for candy when he wanted all the treats. So he would bark. He'd be inside the house barking, telling them to go away. Or maybe he was telling me to come back in, whatever. Don't have to worry about that now, even though I'm sure he's looking down. But we've gotten into the habit of actually not doing it, since our little ones have gotten bigger, and they're all around this great big United States. Well, not really all around, just in 3 different places. But we enjoy seeing the trick-or-treaters, so we try to go places where there might be some little ones dressed up. I'll try to put some of them in the video if I can. Alrighty, it's time for me to text Denise and have my morning conversation with my love. I'll see you guys in a bit. Well, not gonna be a very dry Halloween. Scary mask on. And my new shirt. Frankenbeaver. Denise gave me a ride to Walmart. There's Denise. She's wearing her Halloween shirt too. Where it started. $50 corn dogs. I can eat like 40 or 50 of them. No? Maybe not.
And a large onion ring.
And I would like 40 or 50. No. I'll take 4.
4, got you.
This Sonic, which is open, is across the street from St. Louis Catholic Church and St. Louis Catholic School. Melody went to St. Louis for pre-K all the way to 6th grade. No, I'm sorry. All the way to 8th grade. I'm sorry, I forgot all about it. I should have remembered. So right around the corner, you look down the street a little bit. Right down there, with the flashing lights, the top knots. Together it's all the same little neighborhood. North Cross Mall, right over there. I've taken down there, showing you all the skating rink. Figured I'd show you all the neighborhood. Go way in here. Oh no! So, okay, figure it out. You wouldn't let me get 40 or 50, so I got 40. And I got me some onion rings.
Nope.
I put them in front of Denise though.
Yep.
Because they're mine.
Nope.
Oh my.
Nope.
There's a scary kitty cat there. Ooh, some more jack-o'-lanterns. More jack-o'-lanterns. Ooh, a big spider web. There's a bunch of neat stuff right there. What the heck is that? It's Pretty scary. People all around. Ooh, that kid's dressed up like a furry doggy.
Birds are all out. That is for sure. I don't know if you can tell, but the trees are full of the birds.
Okay, enough of that for now. Going into HEB, if you couldn't guess.
It's the poor pumpkins should have leprosy.
Just checking out what they have at the HEB. 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 The tide is high, so watch out.
Alright, we're done in the store and the birds are chirping.
I'm returning the cart and sorry I let y'all hear the birds a little bit more.
No, you can't really see them.
Lots of birds. I know somebody that would be proud. His name's Adam. We made it back home, and I'm back in my office / studio. Wanted to pass on something. You know, watching just now those birds again, it reminded me of when Denise and I went to College Station a few years back for a festival, a country music festival. We went to the HEB there, and they had a bunch of birds also. And an employee came out with a shotgun, and he just shot it up in the air. Just, you know, not at the birds, but just up in the air. Probably had rock salt or something like that in it, and the birds just all took off. Okay, and I mean, it was like, first of all, it shocked Denise and I because we'd never seen that done before, and it got rid of the birds. And when we came out of the store about 10-15 minutes later, they were all back. So the little shooting didn't really do anything but startle them, scared the you-know-what out of them, and they took off. And then they came back, just like me. I'm going to take off and say, I hope to see y'all tomorrow, that I will see you in the future. And if not, when I come back, I'll see you in the pasture. Bye, everybody. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Thank you.